Today we will be showing you how to measure for and install a dual shade. As with any window treatment, make sure you are using a metal tape measure to ensure an accurate measurement for your shade. For inside mount shades, make sure to take 3 measurements for the width, top, middle, and bottom. If these 3 sizes vary, order the minimum width necessary to allow the shade to fit in the opening. Follow the same instructions for the height, taking a measurement inside the frame at the left, middle, and right. If these heights vary, order the shortest height to ensure vanes fully overlap. One note on the brackets. Due to the size of the cassette, the minimum shallow mounting surface for an inside mount is 1.5 inches. Minimum flush inside mounting, including brackets for the cassette, is 3.75 inches. For outside mount shades, measure for the desired width and height. To minimize light gaps, the shade should overlap the window opening at least 2 inches on each side and at the bottom. When measuring the height, be sure to take into account the size of the cassette, which is 3 inches high. To install the shade, measure and mark 2.5 inches in from the edge of the frame for inside mount and 2.5 inches from the edge of where the cassette will be for outside mount. If more than 2 installation brackets came with your order, space additional brackets on studs evenly between the 2 end brackets and mark their location. Mark the location of the screw holes using the brackets on the previously made marks. Use a 3/32 inch drill bit to drill holes for the screws. If you are fastening the installation brackets to drywall, be sure to use wall anchors, not included, and follow the instructions provided with the anchors you are using. Using the provided screws and the holes that were just drilled, install the mounting brackets. Before installing the shade, use a level to ensure the brackets are level. The shade will not function properly if it is mounted unlevel. Shims may be required for leveling. Install the shade by resting the cassette in the groove inside the front lip of the bracket and then push towards the back of the brackets until it snaps into place. An important note about dual shades: the finished shade height will always be in the full privacy position with the bands offset. When the shade is opened in its lowest position, the bottom rail will always be slightly raised from the window frame. This is not a defect or a production error and is an inherent characteristic of the shade. Lastly, when dual shades are installed side by side, vane alignment can only be guaranteed within 3/8 of an inch, only if the shades are ordered at the same time and are identical style, color, and height. Shades that need to be aligned must be specified on the order form and noted in special instructions.